JBL's Link Bar is one of the most interesting Android devices to be announced this year. The product, first of all, seems to be a sound bar, but it also has built-in Android TV and Google Assistant functionality. Once it is set up, it has a voice-activated speaker that can control your TV and do many other things that smart speakers are capable of doing, while giving your TV better sound. The Link Bar was announced in May, but now we know when it will come out and how much it will cost. The Android police detected a pre-sale order at B&H, where it goes to $399.95 with the delivery date indicated as October 16. A soundbar is a simple way to improve the audio quality of your TV. And although the soundbars are not as good as a general-purpose speaker system for playing music, the price of the Link Bar is on par with high-end smart speakers, such as Google's $399 Home Max.